Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be delving into the exciting ETHFI Airdrop. In case you haven't heard, Etherfi is launching a second round airdrop to reward its community with free ETHFI tokens. In this video, we will be discussing what ETHFI is, how their airdrop functions, and how you can acquire these complimentary tokens. It presents an excellent opportunity to join the ETHFI community and potentially benefit from their innovative DeFi platform. Make sure not to miss out. Stay tuned to learn all the specifics. Without any further delay, let's dive right in. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and enable the notification bell so that you don't miss any future airdrops. After visiting the provided EtherFi link in the description, you can begin by connecting your wallet. Just remember that meeting certain requirements is crucial to receive a higher allocation of the ETHFI airdrop. It's important to have at least one liquid staked token, or LRTs, liquid restaked tokens. In my case, I hold ETHFI tokens. Once you have successfully connected your wallet to the website, the rest is dependent on the ETHFI platform algorithm. In my circumstances, I am fully eligible. Now I just need to wait for the funds to appear in my wallet. As you can see, I have received my share effortlessly. One more point I forgot to mention is the need to have sufficient ETH to cover the transaction fees. Now, from a technical perspective, based on our current ETHFI price prediction, it is anticipated that the price of ETHFI will rise by 225.68% and reach $6.24 by August 7th, 2024. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bearish, while the fear and greed index is at 28. Fear. ETHFI has recorded 10 out of 30, 33%. Green days with 19.36% price volatility over the last 30 days. Considering the Etherfi forecast, it may not be the best time to buy ETHFI. That concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Happy claiming, guys, and see you in the next video.